I don't think I understand.
Sometimes I feel so happy. Sometimes I feel so sad.
Think she even really remembers you? I mean, even if she did, you think she really thinks about you?
I wonder if she's even still alive.
If she was, it wouldn't. I think since you'll never know, wondering will only hurt you.
I wonder if there'll be an end to all this wondering.
I hear you, bro. I wonder if these goddamn student loans will ever be forgiven before I die.
Class war type shit.